I'm very nervous now, but I'm gonna check in with Spring, all right? All right, alleyways. We call it hẻm in Vietnamese, H-E-M. And the alleyways, and you can notice, it's much more quieter. More bumpy and quieter compared to the main street. But this is where all the best thing happens. The best cafe, the best local street food, the best karaoke, you know, it's happened inside the tiny street. And also it's very pretty. During this time, we hang our flag on the very top as a decoration. Our flag is very pretty, you know. It's yellow and red, like that. Very simple with a start, but very pretty. And at the same time, these alleyways is where we live. So the residents, they live in the tiny street because it's cheaper. And also, they live together as a community. But the community that we take you to today is a special one. And right now we're gonna go into the history of that. Yeah, that's our favorite bánh mì ladies. We may come back to her to try some bánh mì, you know, some baguette.